Most people get this wrong. They think Prairie Pay Advance is just another payday app with hidden fees. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it provides fast, clear, and responsible access to short-term cash for emergencies or urgent expenses. Here's how it works. Prairie Pay Advance allows users to request a small cash advance based on earned wages or bank deposits. Funds are usually available within a few hours, making it perfect for sudden expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or urgent household needs. The repayment schedule is displayed clearly, so there's no confusion about what you owe or when. A standout feature is the app's tracking tools. Users can monitor repayments, upcoming obligations, and spending habits to avoid late fees and improve financial planning. The downside? Overusing Prairie Pay Advance for non-essential spending can be costly. It's designed to help with short-term financial needs, not everyday purchases. Tips for responsible use. 1. Borrow only what you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders to stay on top of repayments. 3. Use the app's tracking features to manage spending. Who benefits most? Individuals with regular income who occasionally need fast cash. Those who are prone to overspending may face higher costs. In conclusion, Prairie Pay Advance in 2026 is fast, reliable, and transparent, but only when used responsibly. Treat it as a tool for emergencies, track repayments carefully, and plan spending. Subscribe for more honest reviews and actionable financial advice.